Hey, it's Hamish McKay, CEO and co-founder here at AutoEditing.com. So, you want to know how customers are using the app? Well, it's super simple. What you want to do is click the search and filter bar on the right-hand side when you open up your orders tab on Shopify. Add a filter and search for a tag. We're going to find orders that have been tagged with order editing as one word. That's because we tag every single order with order editing after it's been edited. You can then click Save As on the right-hand side and maybe create this view that's called Order Editing Edits. And then you can click on this at any time and dive into orders and see what changes are being made. Open up any recent order and you'll see that clearly some changes have happened, right? Products have been removed. The way that you can see exactly what has happened is by scrolling down to the orders timeline. I'm going to go right back to the start of this one and walk you through it. You can see an order was created and a confirmation email was sent. Not long afterward, this customer updated the shipping address for their order and they added apartment 406. Then, if we click this, we can see they added a product to their order and an invoice was sent. We can then see they did a size change. They switched from a small to a large. The payment was then captured, or the next amount was authorized for, and you can see all of these changes happening here in the orders timeline. To look at another one, for example, first a customer added a product, an invoice was sent, and then the product was removed slightly later. This is how this demo customer used the app. Super straightforward. If you want to see different types of edits, not just like everything, then you can see we add lots of different tags to orders when changes happen, like quantity when the quantity's changed, or shipping when just the shipping address changes, or my favorite, order editing upsell when the customer's order value increases and we convert an upsell. Let's look for that one. Search and filter, add filter, tagged with, order editing, that's this one, upsell. And you can see that's automatically going to pull through all of the orders that have been upsold. And I'm going to name this order editing upsell. We do this in all of our onboardings. Create these two views, one for order editing for all of your edits, one for upsell for just your upsells. And again, you can open these up and see in the timeline what the upsell was. Super simple. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me at hamish@autoediting.com. Otherwise, just open up our app at any time and we have a chat bot on the right-hand side. We can connect with my team directly. Cheers.